What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. So today I'm here to buy cars. I'm gonna look for cars that are less than 200,000 range. I hope you will love this video. If you do, please subscribe to our local YouTube channel. It only costs 2 seconds to do so. Thank you. Our first car for the day is this 2019 Honda Jazz, which is going for 152,900. It is a category B, meaning you cannot finance the car. It has 99,000 kilometers on the clock. This Honda has a 1.5-liter natural aspirated IV-Tech petrol engine, producing 97 kilowatts of power and 155 newton meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 9.8 seconds and a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. You're getting a 5-speed automatic transmission with fuel consumption of 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 40 liters. I didn't see anything wrong with the car. The car it is still okay. Even on the technical report, there's no any fault. Everything it is still okay. So when it comes to the interior, your interior it is standard. You have your multifunction steering wheel there, wrapped with rubber. But everything on this car it is still okay. Even the exterior it is okay. This car it is beautiful, man, as you can see, and it is still new. Our second car for the day is this 2018 Polo TSI Comfort Line, which is going for 188,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,753 per month. It has 120,036 kilometers on the clock. This Polo has a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 70 kilowatts of power and 175 newton meters of torque, with a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel consumption of 4.95 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. This car, its interior, it is still beautiful, but the damages that this car has. So according to the director report, this car has 5 damages, which are traction control light illuminated and dust, boot on, brake light multifunction, electric windows weather damaged. The interior of the Polo Vivo it is the same. So you have a 6.5-inch touchscreen system with Bluetooth connectivity and USB port. Your steering wheel with rubber and multifunction. Your cloth seats there, your gear there, and that's it about the interior. But the car it is still okay, as you can see. No dent, no scratches. This is the 2014 Hyundai Santa, which is going for 180,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,609 per month. It has 174,245 kilometers on the clock. This Santa has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine, producing 190 horsepower with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a fuel consumption of 8 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 64 liters. According to the director report, this car has only one issue, which is knock on steering wheel assembly. This car also comes with a tow hitch, but everything it is still okay, man. As you can see, everything it is still attached. The body it is still okay. The bumper it is still okay. There's no dent, there's no scratches. So you only have that issue which you will need to fix, but it is a small thing. Even your front tire there, it needs air. All the windows are tinted. The car it is still okay, as you can see. I didn't see anything strange. So the interior, you have your leather seats there, your steering wheel with multifunction control, your infotainment system there. Everything it is standard on this car. Yeah, man, it is beautiful. This is the 2016 Mazda, which is going for 188,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,753 per month. It has 53,193 kilometers on the clock. This Mazda has a 1.5-liter Sky Active G inline 4-cylinder engine, producing 82 kilowatts of power and 148 newton meters of torque, with a 6-speed manual transmission and a fuel consumption of 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 44 liters. According to the director report, this car has no issues. Everything on this car is still okay. The color, it is there, even the tires, all the windows are tinted. Yeah, man. So when it comes to the interior, you have your Mazda infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your multifunction steering wheel there wrapped with rubber, your seats with red lining there. Yeah, everything it is still beautiful inside. Even the car it is still in a good shape, as you can see. Yeah, this is the 2022 Hyundai Etios, which is going for 167,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,376 per month. It has 8,953 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 1.1 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 50 kilowatts of power and 99 newton meters of torque, with 5-speed manual transmission pulling with front-wheel drive, and a fuel consumption of 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 35 liters. According to the Decra report, this car has no relevant issues. So everything it is still okay for this beautiful budget car. So yeah, man. So when it comes to the interior, you have a multifunction steering wheel, your seats with leather trim. You get the infotainment system there. Yeah, man. Everything inside it is simple as the car it is. So this car is still new, as you can see. Budget car. This is the 2015 Mercedes-Benz B-Class, which is going for 163,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,304 per month. It has 133,000 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 1.6 liter inline-4 engine producing 80 kilowatts of power and 180 newton meters of torque, with a 7-speed automatic transmission with fuel consumption of 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 54 liters. According to the director report of this car, it has few damages, which are smooth tires and engine light warning. So the car it is still beautiful. It is still okay. I didn't see any scratches, any dent. Even the rims are still in a good condition. All the windows are tinted. So when it comes to the interior, you have your leather seats, your multifunction steering wheel, your infotainment system there with CD play and Bluetooth connectivity. Yeah, man, that's it about the interior. The car is still okay for its age. Yeah, it is still beautiful. This is the 2017 BMW 1 Series, which is going for 188,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,753 per month. It has 138,000 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 184 horsepower and 290 newton meters of torque, and accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers in 7.1 seconds, and a top speed of 225 kilometers per hour, pulling with rear wheels. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a fuel consumption of 7 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 52 liters. I don't know anything about this car Decra report, but we all know that BMWs always have a fault. So when it comes to the interior, you have a multifunction steering wheel, your leather seats, your automatic gear there, your infotainment system. Yeah, man. I didn't see any Decra. If you want to know about this car, go to their website or go to Joburg South so that you can view this car. But the car it is still okay. Our last car for the day is this 2015 Audi A1, which is going for 164,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 3,322 per month. It has 114,265 kilometers on the clock. This Audi has a 1-liter S-tronic engine producing 63 kilowatts of power and 160 newton meters of torque, with 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic with fuel consumption of 4.4 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 45 liters. This car has no relevant faults. Everything it is still okay. I didn't see any scratches, any dent. The car it is still okay. As you can see, all the tires, all the rims are still okay. All the windows are tinted. So when you come to the interior, you have your 6.5-inch infotainment screen with voice control and MP3 connectivity. That's it about our last car for the day. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. So see you on the next episode.